human immune system renders an amazing power of protection against the millions of invading pathogens like bacteria and viruses. It destroys cancer cells, neutralizes toxins, and plays the central role in the rejection of transplant. The major components of the human immune system are specialized immune cells, tissues, proteins, and lymphoid organs. Lymphocytes and phagocytes are the two primary cell types of the immune system. Lymphocytes are subdivided into B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. All these cells are formed in the bone marrow. B cells differentiate into plasma cells and memory cells. Plasma cells produce antibodies which destroy the pathogen, while the memory cells remember this reaction for future encounters. Thymus is the site of maturation of T cells, which later differentiate into Th, Tc, and Ts cells. Th or helper T cells recognize antigens on the surface of infected cells, activate the Tc or cytotoxic T cells as well as B cells to produce antibodies. The activated cytotoxic T cell kills the cell infected with viruses and bacteria. The suppressor T cells terminate the immune response once the pathogen is killed. Natural killer cells are large granular lymphocytes which destroy large tumor cells and virus-infected cells. Neutrophils, monocytes, and macrophages are the three major types of phagocytes. They detect, engulf, and kill pathogens. A collection of lymphoid tissues lining the respiratory, alimentary, and genitourinary tracts are known as mucosal-associated lymphoid tissues, or MALT. These tissues contain about half the lymphocytes of the immune system. They prevent the entry of pathogens into the body via mucosa. These lymphoid tissues are also seen in the tonsils in the buccal cavity, Peyer's patches in the ileum, and appendix and large intestine. The major functional proteins of the immune system are antibodies, cytokines, and complement systems. Antibodies are large Y-shaped proteins produced by B cells. They can recognize, bind, and destroy specific antigens.